Hey guys, welcome to Trucker's Kitchen. All right, I'm gonna do avocado eggs for myself, and then Scott doesn't really care for that, so I'm gonna do potatoes. I already got them chopped up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them right into the Instapot. So that's one medium-sized potato. I'm gonna show you the avocado trick really fast, the avocado hack. I cut it in half. This does not have the seed in it. You take a spoon and you just go right along the edge of the skin right there. And you just keep going around, all the way around. And voila, clean flesh. So yeah, that's the avocado trick. Okay, so how I keep vegetables fresh in the truck and how I can eat them at the best quality source is, you guys know that we buy straight from the farmer during the summertime, and I put them in little snack size Ziploc bags already diced up. The same with onions, peppers, things like that, and it makes it really easy for when we're in the truck. So right now in the skillet I already have the potatoes, and I'm going to use some coconut oil, and it can get a little smoky in here, so what I suggest for the ventilation is put it on a floor vent, crack the front windows, and it helps vent things out well. So I have mushrooms, peppers, and onions on there, and we're just gonna put them in there, saute them up. So on half the skillet, I already have Scott's potatoes in there, and they are getting nice and brown. So instead of using a whole lot of oil and stuff like that, I'm just going to use a little bit, coat the vegetables in it, add some salt, pepper, garlic, because they're all good for you despite what people say all the time. And then, so if you need it and it's starting to stick, add just a little bit of water into your electric skillet. It does make a big difference. I also have local ground sausage that I cook up ahead of time, and I put it in little bags as well. The reason I'm putting it in bags, I don't like bags personally. I would rather use Tupperware, but in the truck the fridge is so small, so if I want to fit 6 days worth of food in the truck and have it all fresh and high quality, then I have to put it in bags so it fits better in the freezer and in the fridge. It stacks much better. So that's another tip that I suggest in the truck, so you can get more food in there. And I could probably honestly get 2 weeks worth of food in our freezer and in our fridge. Okay, so how I do the cooking is I kind of start separating things out and push it out to the corners of the skillet, and it helps keep it really warm and not burn it. So keep it off the ring in the middle, and that is helpful. So let me show you what that looks like. So I did have the avocado here, but then I started thinking, oh, I should tell them about that. So there's the avocado. I fried it, and now we're gonna plate it and eat up. So Trucker's Kitchen, the kitchen has changed up depending on what truck we're in, and you're thinking, why do we switch trucks so much? Well, we run peak season, so we're not driving full time all year round. When we are on the road, we're on the road for a couple months straight, and then we're off the road. So that's why we switch trucks, because the boss uses it for other drivers. We get a different truck and things like that. So right now we're in a Volvo, so 2014 Volvo, and the Trucker's Kitchen's looking a little bit different, but you can check out how we did the Trucker's Kitchen in the International, what appliances we used, and how the setup is. That's going to be linked right up there. So a pop-up table that you can get at Walmart. You can also get the Instapot and the electric skillet. I will leave the links down below so you can check those out. But if you would like to see how the other Trucker's Kitchens are set up, check out those videos right there, and check out some other Trucker's Kitchen food ideas. So here's a couple things that you can do while eating healthy. Here's a couple menu ideas, food ideas that you can do. Hopefully you enjoy it, but we will be updating the table. We have some experiments that we're going to be checking out, so stay tuned. Hopefully we're going to be getting rid of this table and coming up with a table that's more adjustable and more flexible, and just going to offer a better Trucker's Kitchen for us and just other uses in the truck. We're also doing some research on how can you get healthy groceries if you're on the road and you don't have the option like we do, where you're coming home on the weekends for 1, maybe 2 days out of the week. So how can you get healthy food as a trucker and not have to pay the inflated prices at truck stops? We're doing the research for you, and we hopefully have come up with some solutions. Things like getting an Uber car, using apps like Instacart, or other options, Walmart, and doing the door pickup. So stay tuned for some of those ideas, because those video ideas are definitely coming. But we've had some video requests, so it might take some time. You also know that we are doing the trial runs with the bed, and we are excited. We've been testing them out for quite some time, so we will be giving you some updates on that. So we have a lot of things going on behind the scenes, doing some more research on Trucker's Kitchen, the table option, the sleep systems, and check out those videos and see what we've done this far. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and stay tuned. But here's the breakfast, and we're gonna do some of those video ideas that people have suggested or requested. One of them is rest area and truck stop safety, especially for women drivers, and what that looks like. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and it's a little insight of what's going on in the truck. So stay tuned and enjoy the adventures and eat well. Bye.